the time the pandemic of COVID-19 entered the Sultanate, the healthcare institutions in the country made all the preparation to tackle coronavirus. Here, at the Directorate General of Health Services at Dakhiliyah Governorate, they developed plans to deal with this pandemic, taking all required procedures. Committees and subcommittee of emergency management prepared all health institutions in the governorate, ensured the readiness of health workers, as well as provided them with the medical supplies and personal protective equipment. In addition, a special path has been determined to deal with the suspected cases. The subcommittee, which is headed by Dr. Abdallah, Director General, has been in permanent session to follow up all developments of the COVID-19 pandemic. A number of awareness campaigns on the pandemic prevention and control through the social media channels, videos or leaflets have been distributed in the public areas, along with allocating a hotline for all queries regarding the COVID-19 pandemic. An epidemiological investigation team has been formed in all wilayats of the governorate to investigate the sources of the suspected cases, account the contacts, and clarify the procedures of the home isolation. The Directorate expanded the COVID-19 examinations by providing the examination in most health institutions of the governorate in order to facilitate the movement of the clients. In cooperation with the relief and shelter sector in the Governorate and other concerned public and civil authorities, a number of centers for institutional isolation, hotels and hotel apartments have been allocated for the infected or suspected cases. These centers have been provided with prevention needs and psychological counseling services, along with the following up the isolated persons in these institutions. As for the infected persons and the self-isolated contacts, the health teams of the Governorate contacting them and visiting them whenever required to monitor their health. A plan in place has been developed to allocate a fully equipped field hospital if necessary, in coordination with the relief and shelter sector and other governmental authorities. Furthermore, an emergency room has been activated in the governorate to respond to all inquiries received from the Emergency Management Center of the Ministry of Health and coordinate with the military and civil sectors to tackle this pandemic. High authorities in the Ministry of Health has visited the governorate and praised the efforts of the medical staff, allied health categories and the administrators in various healthcare institutions, stressing the need for raising awareness between the health workers in their specialties regarding prevention of COVID-19 infections, with the necessity of implementing the ways to reduce the spread of the disease in the health institutions among the health care workers. Abdallah bin Ahmed Rubaiey, Sultanate of Oman Television.